If there's one thing that I'm not the biggest fan of, it's when I wake up on time for the gym, but then I fall back asleep. So now I gotta go later in the gym.
Okay, that restaurant I just finished eating at, splendid, beautiful, delicious every time I eat there, bro. But the amount that they give you, it'd be kind of crazy, I'm not gonna lie. After finishing that shawarma plate, the Turkish coffee, bro, hell to the no. I feel pregnant. I'm full. It's too much, especially for a single individual to take on such a plate. I recommend that it at least be 2 people take on that plate. And the bread they give you, oh my God, bro, my hair looks like this. God damn. I should have fixed it before I started recording. But bro, the place is called Nicholas Restaurant. I would recommend, if you haven't been there before, go eat there. Because bro, you're robbing yourself of an experience if you haven't eaten there before. Whew. Let me get home. I ate that meal post gym, so hopefully I could see the rest of the day. If not, then you'll know that the day is finished because I'll be starting from the next day.
You guys can't see it right now, but my finger is exactly sitting at is the old reliable machine that I used to grind on the daily. I already got it down, but I forgot to record it. But here's my favorite part about this machine right here, if it still has life. It doesn't have life. My fault. Here's the magic that I was telling you guys about when it turns on. Ain't that the coolest thing? This thing cost me quite a bit when I first got it, but my favorite part about this thing that I really don't use a lot like that is the part that it's touchscreen right here. If it'll work. Give it a second. It's been a minute since I last touched this thing. Oh, never mind. It's already gonna open.
Form of the sense, but you know that potential for down limbs is still a very real possibility. It's off with just a few light rain showers that we're experiencing right now, but eventually those raindrops transitioning into like freezing rain or snow itself as our temperatures will start to plummet. Mount Hood Meadows there off in the distance as the heavy snow does continue to fall over the heights. Rain by the National Weather Service currently has winter storm warnings in effect over the mountains. We are talking about 2 to 4 feet potentially falling above 3,000 feet. Now you'll notice that the Portland area, Salem, I-5, out along the coast under...
Look at this craziness. Bro, Oregon, relax.
The snowman,
it's not even snowing that bad.
Jolly happy soul, with a corncob pipe and a button nose and 2 eyes made out of coal. Frosty the Snowman is a fairy tale, they say. He was made of snow, but the children know how he came to life.